Hi everybody, I'm John out here with Specialty Electric for San Diego. I love when I get calls to put up big ass fans because I know there's going to be a certain kind of attention to detail that's appreciated in the home. And this is an absolutely beautiful home. And if you guys have seen any of my videos, you know that I studied art, University of New Mexico, and I love houses with a ton of art. And this place is just amazing. You can see as you go down here, well, first of all, let me go back. These are two haikus. We did the haikus from the Big Ass Fan Company. Amazing quality. You know, they're just gonna do it right. They always go up, piece of cake. We did the bamboo, the caramel bamboo with the black, which is beautiful. This might be my favorite part. Some Derek Hess pieces in the soup, one of my favorites. Artist out of Ohio that I was collecting in probably the 90s. But you see just the beautiful touches in here. Well, let me see, even the front door, gorgeous. I mean, even the rug, gorgeous, beautiful piece here. And then we go into the master bedroom and we did the haiku with the kind of a weathered bamboo blade, and it's absolutely gorgeous. You can see it goes really well with the walls. Nice little bit of contrast from the bed furniture. Great. I love big ass fans. Love getting them up. They're just beautiful. Love being in the homes of the people that put up the big ass fans. Great stuff. San Diego, big ass fans, Specialty Electric.